Are you curious about the best automation tool for your business? Today, we're diving into the world of robotic process automation. We'll compare UiPath, Blue Prism, and Automation Anywhere to help you decide which one is right for you. All three tools aim to automate repetitive tasks. They help businesses save time and reduce errors, but each one has its own strengths and features. Let's start with UiPath. It's known for its user friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. UiPath also offers a strong community and lots of learning resources. This makes it great for beginners. It supports both attended and unattended automation, giving users flexibility. Now, let's talk about Blue Prism. This tool is often favored by larger companies. It focuses on security and scalability. Blue Prism requires more technical skills to set up and manage, but once you do, it can handle complex processes very well. It's a solid choice for businesses that need strong governance. Finally, we have Automation Anywhere. This tool combines ease of use with powerful features. It offers a cloud based option, making it accessible from anywhere. Automation Anywhere also includes AI capabilities, which can enhance automation tasks. It's great for companies looking to innovate. Now, let's look at the key differences. UiPath shines in user friendliness, while Blue Prism is all about security and governance. Automation Anywhere stands out with its AI features and cloud accessibility. When it comes to pricing, all three have different models. UiPath and Automation Anywhere offer flexible plans, while Blue Prism typically requires a larger investment upfront. So, which one should you choose? If you want something easy to use, go for UiPath. If security is your priority, Blue Prism is a great fit. And if you are looking for advanced features, consider Automation Anywhere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.